Number 1. 1994 Ford F150, price $8,900, with 170,000 miles on the odometer. This two-wheel drive pickup is powered by a strong V8 302 engine paired with a smooth 4-speed automatic transmission featuring overdrive. Finished in a clean white exterior with a gray interior, the truck has been refreshed with new black carpet, gray seats, and matching trims. It also comes equipped with an upgraded stereo deck, ensuring a modern touch to its classic appeal. The vehicle rides on new rear tires, while the front tires, replaced just a year ago, remain in excellent condition. Despite its age, the body is in remarkable shape, with only minor dings that do not take away from its overall above-average condition. It's a true head-turner that consistently receives compliments. Currently located in California, the truck's owner is spending the winter in Salt Lake and plans to drive it up next month or arrange for shipping if there is any interest. Number 2. 1994 GMC 1500, price $9,800. This is a well-maintained and dependable classic truck with a mileage of 160,500 miles. It features an automatic transmission and is powered by a 5.7L V8 engine. The truck has a sleek black exterior paired with a striking red interior, giving it a bold and timeless look. This vehicle has been regularly serviced and has proven to be highly reliable. Unlike many trucks of its kind, it has not been used for heavy work but rather for commuting, ensuring that it has been well cared for. A brand new sound system with a CarPlay touchscreen has been installed, enhancing the driving experience with modern technology. The truck also comes with good condition tires, new shocks, new bed mounts, and new door mounts, adding to its overall durability and comfort. The price is negotiable for interested buyers. Number 3. 1989 Ford F150, price $8,000. It has 116,000 miles on the odometer and features an automatic transmission. It boasts a striking red exterior paired with a gray interior and runs on gasoline. This truck has undergone extensive work. It has a newly rebuilt transmission with only 11,000 miles on it, along with new spark plugs and wires. The headlights and housings have been replaced, and the interior features a fresh headliner. The door locks and ignition have been updated, ensuring reliability. The truck received a new paint job about 2 years ago, giving it a refreshed look. The braking system has been completely redone, providing improved stopping power. Performance-wise, it features a custom dual glass pack exhaust, delivering a deep, aggressive sound. Additional work includes a new pinion seal and water pump, among other updates, ensuring the truck runs strong and looks great. Number 4. 1972 Ford F150, price $9,000. With 114,000 miles, it features an automatic transmission, a 360 CID engine, and a classic blue exterior with a matching blue interior. The engine runs smoothly, and the transmission shifts properly, benefiting from a recent tune-up, a new timing chain, water pump, and steering gearbox. Other upgrades include new door and window seals, a new exhaust system, new tires, a re-upholstered seat, a new headliner, a dash cover, and updated electrical components like a new headlight switch, ignition switch, and LED headlights. While not a frame-off restoration, the truck has been recently refreshed, with rust addressed, and everything, including the frame, cleaned and repainted. It remains mostly original, retaining its factory radio and oil bath air cleaner. Number 5. 1994 Ford F150, price $5,000. It has 204,000 miles on it and features an automatic transmission. It has a white exterior with a gray interior and runs on gasoline. The engine was completely rebuilt within the last 5 years, ensuring reliable performance. The truck runs great, and both the rear driver's side and front passenger's side tires are less than a year old. There are a few minor issues, including a passenger side window that is stuck, though a replacement part is included in the truck's price, a loose driver's side mirror, a cracked passenger side mirror, a passenger side headlight that is out, and a driver's side airbag sensor that chirps upon startup. Number 6. 1993 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,000, with 123,000 miles on the odometer. It features an automatic transmission and is powered by a 350 engine paired with a 700 R4 transmission. The exterior is finished in a rich burgundy color, complemented by a matching burgundy interior. The truck runs and drives perfectly with no mechanical issues. The interior is in excellent condition, with the dashboard showing only minor cracks. It remains in its stock configuration, preserving its original appeal. The current has replaced the distributor and battery. The body is in great shape, with a clean step-side bed. Additionally, the truck comes with a bumper filler, a valance, and a 2-inch drop shackle, though these parts have not yet been installed. Number 7. 1992 GMC 1500, price $2,000. This is a reliable running truck, though it isn't driven often and is now being sold to clear up space in the driveway. With over 260,000 miles on the odometer, it's not in perfect condition or particularly good looking, but it runs well. Powered by a 5.7L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, the truck provides solid performance. The heater functions properly, though the air conditioning does not. It does have a significant oil leak from the oil pan, which only requires a gasket replacement to fix. The exterior is finished in white, while the interior features a gray color scheme. It comes with a clean title, which is currently in the mail. Number 8. 1969 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,000, with an automatic transmission, a green exterior, and a matching green interior. It features a 350 automatic engine, factory air conditioning, and a 2-wheel drive system. While mostly original, it has received upgrades such as new carpet, a re-upholstered seat with new foam, updated door panels, and a new steering wheel. The front brakes have been upgraded to disc brakes, while the rear retains drum brakes, and the suspension has been fully renewed. The engine has been improved with a new carburetor, distributor, spark plugs and wires, starter, battery, and valve cover gaskets. This well-maintained truck runs and drives smoothly with no leaks, making it a reliable and appealing classic. Number 9. 1977 Ford F150, price $7,200, with 112,000 miles, an automatic transmission, and a V8 351M engine paired with a C6 transmission. Finished in red inside and out, it runs on gasoline, starts easily, and is driven a few times a week without issue. Recent upgrades include a new carburetor, fuel pump, brake lines, master cylinder, and front steering components. The heat works, and it retains its original AC unit, though it doesn't cool. While the truck has some rust spots on the doors and a few panels, the frame is exceptionally clean and rust-free. The only mechanical issue is a leaking steering gearbox, requiring occasional fluid refills to prevent whining. Despite this, it drives smoothly and remains a solid, reliable classic. Number 10. 1974 Ford F150, price $7,500, with an automatic transmission, a blue exterior, and a matching blue interior. Originally a 3-on-the-tree manual, it has been converted to a smooth-shifting C6 automatic with a BMZ gate shifter. The rebuilt 302 engine is bored .30 over and features short headers, 2.5-inch true dual side pipes, an Edelbrock 650 carburetor, an HEI distributor, and a 3-row aluminum radiator with a degas bottle. Nearly new 31-inch Mickey Thompson tires and upgraded wheels have around 2,000 miles on them. The truck also has new steering components, shocks, and necessary brake replacements. Mechanically, it has no issues and is reliable enough to drive anywhere. The interior features a re-upholstered seat and a center console. The front clip is rust-free with minor dents, and the cab is in excellent shape, with only a few small, easily reparable holes in the floor pans. The bed needs a driver's side skin or patch panels and a new floor, but overall, this F-150 remains a solid and well-running classic.